Hello, beautiful peeper. You already know what it is. It's my FabFitFun box. I think this might be the winter box. That might be. But you know, I had to kind of pre-open the box because I'm not doxing myself. I always say that. You know, I always come and show you guys what I got because I never remember what I've ordered. So this is the first thing that I grabbed. Ooh, an all-natural lip trio. Hey, buddy. My box was open. This is straight out the box. It was a little damaged. But I'm going to let y'all know what this is looking like. I might have to pause the video because I think it's potty time for my little buddy. I've got some... Buddy, that's ridiculous. I've got some Glamnetic nails. Can I finish my video? That was an add-on. I just thought about that. Oh, I got a resistance band. Get those thighs firm. He wants to be in the video. Say hey to him. Say hey to him, buddy. I'm almost done. Oh, I've got some blemish patches. I got some for free when I ordered with, what was the other place? Oh, they sent me two nails. Not nails. Oh my gosh, Glamnetics is known for nails. But they've sent me 2 of the magnetic strip lashes. I think an animal might have tried to get in my box when I was outside. Oh, I forgot I ordered this, buddy. It's one size by Patrick Star. It's my setting powder. That's kind of close. Another set of, it was a 3 set of Glamnetics. Oh, I got Boss Babe. He's doing all that because I got to take him outside. I got another Glamnetic. Damn, how many of these did I get? Yeah. We're going to have a nail, oh, what is this? Are these jammers? I think these are jammers. I have to do a follow-up for y'all with me wearing some of this stuff. Those are cute. Oh, my Lord. What a girl loves. Oh, I threw it up and knocked it out my... This must have been the winter box because... They said blanket, and I said, yes, please. Oh, and I guess I got some drawers in this pack. Where they came together. Oh, it's matching sleep drawers, I guess. So there was nothing I could try for you guys right offhand. I'm actually going to have to get prepared to try it. So this will just be the initial video for what I got. And then we can talk about how everything works once I try it on. So that's the blanket, the jammers and drawers, and a bunch of Glamnetics and some setting powder. Get a little exercise and get some blemish reductions. That's very exciting. All right, well, I will keep you all posted because I'm going to try to make some content around each one of these things. It's been wonderful to talk to you. Peace.